Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this channel we will cover HTML linking tags, and in the previous video which we covered the HTML tags like table tag, forms tag and basic tags. So these video links I share in the description box. You can check it out. So let's start now. This is the overview of the link. First is anchor tag, which visibility is visible and the purpose is a clickable link for the user. Second is link also a link tag which is hidden and connect the file to CSS or metadata. Third is image tag. Image tag is visible, display a picture. And fourth is iFrame, which is visible and display another website inside your. And last one is video tag, which is visible and play movies video files. So let's start and see one by one. So first tag is anchor tag, which right in the bracket is anchor, simply one a, right? So which means is the anchor tag. The anchor tag is what we usually call a link. Basically, when whatever we write in the anchor tag, which is clickable link generate, it create a clickable hyperlink that takes a user to another websites, a file or a specific spot on the same page. Basically it create a link automatically if we add something link. Okay, so key attribute is href, hypertext reference. This is the destination URL. Here we write the destination URL when we click the text image, so that comes to the destination URL. Like the example is we write anchor tag and href. So here we write the link of Google, and when the text click here to search. So where the search link comes to Google link means Google website open. So basically this is happen with the help of anchor tag. Let's see the anchor tag in the VS Code. Simply we write the anchor tag, and inside the anchor tag we write the hypertext reference. In the hypertext reference we write the link of the website. So open in the browser, and in the browser we search Google. Simply we search Google and the Google website. Upper link we copy the upper link and simply paste in the href. So simply we copy, and in the VS Code simply here we paste. Then now what we do here, we write anything. Simply we write Google. So when we click this text, so go to the click to the go live button. So hitting the go live button and simply click this, so simply the Google website will be open. So basically this is happened because of the anchor tag. In the anchor tag we give the link, and according this it automatically go to that website. Second is link tag, which write link. Unlike the anchor tag, the link tag is not clickable for the user. It is used in the head section of the your HTML file. In the HTML file have first section is head section, where we use the link tag to define the relationship between the current document and external resources. Basically it is not clickable link, but here we use to between relation create between the current document and external resources. Like, so where it is used linking CSS, when we attach and link the CSS to the HTML. So where the link tag are used, the most common use is to connect an external style sheet to your HTML. When we learn the CSS, where we attach the CSS to the HTML, where we understand. And the next is favicon, to add the little icon you see in the browser tab. So when we search the Google website, and in the Google website we search in the about the right a Google, and with the before the Google we see the a tag like a image small Google tab, that is favicon. We see in the VS Code. And prefetching, telling the browser to download resources early for better performance. So in the heading tag, which is in the Visual Studio Code, and we see that in the head part, in the HTML part, we see the in the boilerplate have first section is heading tag. So in the head we write the link, and this is rel means relationship. So the relationship is style sheet, and hypertext reference is style means the CSS file name here we write. But this is C when we learn the CSS, but we are see this in the VS Code. Basically here the rel in the icon, so it is visible in the above. So let's see in the VS Code. Now next tag is link tag in the VS Code. In the VS Code, in the head part, we simply write link and the relation is icon, and then href reference link. So in the reference, I already add in my folder a image which already we add, and simply we see what happened in the browser. So in the browser, we see that here the image are visible. Here before the document, the image are visible, and because of the link of in the head part, if we add any image using the link tag, so the image visible in there, and if in the browser we search any image, like we write simply flower image, and in the flower image we copy image address and go to the VS Code. So in the VS Code, simply we remove this link and write this image link and save. And in the browser, we see that what is the difference. So in the browser, the image are changed, and here the image are the flower image. So basically we add the link of the image also, and we add the image in our folder, and using folder we add the image. So basically this is the purpose of the link. And when we learn the CSS, where we add the CSS to HTML, where also link tag are used. The third tag is image tag, basically used to embed an image into your page in the website which we create, where we add the image, and it is empty tag, meaning it does not have a closing tag, basically only open tag it have, not the closing tag. The attribute is src, which is source path, and alt means alternative text for accessibility. Like in the example, we write the source means the image link, and image we add here, and alt a beautiful orange sunset if this image are not available. So this alternative text for accessibility give the user some hints the image related to this topic. So next we see the image tag. Write simply image and simply write the source. In the source we simply image.png also see, and in the browser we comes to the flower image and search and select this image and copy image address. Simply comes to the VS Code, and in the VS Codes we write in the source the copy image, and here we simply alert type, like we write the flower image. It helps if the image are not loaded, and save and see. So in the browser it look like this because it cover whole, means it set not the width and height. So basically it look like this. But if we set the height and width also this image, so in the VS Code, simply here after the alert we write simply height equal 100. After set the height of the 100, the image are this type. So basically using image tag we add our page in the image something using image tag. The fourth tag is inline frame, which short form is iFrame. The iFrame is used to embed another HTML document inside your current page. Means in our website, which we create a web page where we add some external page, some external website we add in the own page. So using iFrame, example window looking into another website like a Google Map or a YouTube player add in our own page. So example is iframe, and its source path is we add the Wikipedia. Example means Wikipedia add in own page, and we set also its width and height, and the closing is iframe. So basically the external website add in our own page, so with the help of iframe. So let's see the iframe in VS Code. So simply we write the iframe and the source and go to the browser. So basically when we go to the browser, so in the browser we search anything, like we search the song. When we search the song and comes to the video, simply any video we click, like this song we click, and it comes to the YouTube. So basically here in the what we simply do, I click the share button. Simply I click the share button, and here the embedded. We click here embedded, and simply we copy this. Simply here we copy this, and in the VS Code we come. In the VS Code we simply remove this and paste this source and save and see what happen in the browser. So in the browser the video are visible look like this. When click here we So simply it open in the YouTube channel in the new tab. So that is the iFrame. So last one is video tag. Basically this allow you to play video files directly on your website without needing external plugin. Means basically that in own laptop have some video and basically some video, so we add in our web page. So key attribute we control this video, means this key attribute to show play pause button. We set its width and autoplay, automatically it's play the video. So we write video tag, and in source we write the video source, and we set width and height. We in the control also at key attribute we control the video, and if we are video not visible due to any reason, so we write any text here so it is visible. That let's see the video tag in the VS Code. Simply we write the video and the source, which I already record a video, which is my video dot my video, and simply here we write my video and see in the browser. It look like this, but we set the height and width in the VS Code. Simply here we write the height, and using height we write 100 px and see in the browser. So in the browser the height are visible this, but this video are not play. So in the VS Code we simply write here control, so it have a control. Simply using this control in the browser it play now, the video are play and see that. So using this we add our own video in our website. I hope you all understand the concept which I learn you, and if you like my video and understand the video, so please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.